Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to be going over why Tesla stock is up 2.5% almost in the after hours, which is more than triple the whole move that they had today during market hours. I'm going to go over the news, so let's get right into it. So first piece of news is that first of all, the Tesla Gigafactory Shanghai set a goal of producing 550,000 cars in Shanghai alone, only in China, in the China factory alone. They want to produce 550,000 cars in 2021. Keep in mind that last year, 2020, in both factories combined, they produced a little bit over 500,000, and they want to produce 550,000 in Shanghai alone. Might this mean 1 million cars produced this year? I think so. I really, really do. And out of these 550,000 cars, they want to produce 300,000 Model 3s and 250,000 Model Ys. So definitely ambitious targets as always. But if we do hit these targets, that is going to be amazing for the company and for the stock. And some other news that is said in this article is that according to the company China Industrial Securities, already with the current production capacity in their Gigafactory in Shanghai, they can already produce 8,000 cars per week. 8,000 cars per week. So if Tesla is able to produce 8,000 cars per week, which is very, very conservative in my opinion, because already they can produce 8,000 cars a week. If they can already do that, they should be able to keep growing production, because that's what Tesla does. You know, Tesla's expanding their factories, they're expanding Shanghai, they're making it more efficient, etc. Even if they produce 8,000 cars per week on average this year, which is seemingly going to be the bearish case for this year, we're going to have over 400,000 vehicles produced in Shanghai alone, which means that realistically, worst case scenario, we're going to be producing 800,000 cars next year. Worst case scenario. And from 500,000 to 800,000, that's like a 60% increase. So the worst case scenario is that we have a 60% increase in the vehicle production this year, which is amazing. What other car company grows 60% per year and produces as many cars as Tesla does? Nobody. Nobody has ever done that. Tesla's the first to do that, and nobody's doing that currently. So this is absolutely mind-blowing news and is incredible for the stock. Some other amazing news is, according to this company, which I can't say their name, sorry, which is a Chinese state-owned company. They believe that the China-made Model Ys have a profit margin, a gross profit margin of nearly 30%. 30%. That is unknown in the auto industry. Usually, cars in the auto industry have horrible, horrible margins. And 30% margin is incredible. I mean, that's the sort of profit margins that a top-of-the-line Ferrari would have. And we're talking about a $50,000 car here, not a $500,000 Ferrari. So that is absolutely mind-blowing that Tesla has been able, if this is true, which I do believe it is true, because the Chinese government most likely knows more about how much it costs Tesla to make their vehicles than we do over here in the US. So I would say that this is relatively likely that it's at least, you know, not far from being spot on accurate. But if this is accurate, this will be absolutely amazing for the stock in this upcoming year, because the earnings are going to just blow people away with the profitability, especially from the profitability coming from their Shanghai factory. And the last piece of news that is pushing the stock today would be that the analyst Adam Jonas from Morgan Stanley raised his price target on Tesla to a high for Wall Street. So no other analyst has like a base case that's this high of $810 per share. Wall Street's starting to turn bullish. Tesla is going to ramp production at a minimum of 60% this year, and it's most likely going to be 100%. Supposedly, they have 30% margins on the Model Y in China, which is unknown, and they're just continuing to grow and grow and grow and grow. So I expect nothing but great things for this company and for the stock in the future. So if you guys did enjoy this video, I would love if you guys left a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That'd be really, really awesome. And I'm going to catch you guys next time. Peace.